Well, the day has arrived here at Okies Eden. I finally have a raised bed from the Vegega company. And what we're going to do is over the next few minutes, I'm going to unbox this, set it on the table. We're going to assemble it. We're going to fill it with some soil, and then I'm going to plant some flowers and some veggies in this. So stick around for the complete video. We'll be right back. Okay, so you can see I've unboxed it. The thing that's nice about this is this unit is 32 inches tall. So when that is done, I am working up here. So I'm going to have this full of soil. And when I'm planting and weeding and harvesting, I'm working here. I'm not on the ground on my hands and knees. As you get older, that gets harder. I'm going to be up in the air here working. And then as I get multiples of these, I can have these spread around and have lots of area to plant. It comes with the bracing rods so that it's 2 feet wide. When I fill it with soil, that's a high volume of soil, so the sides don't bulge. These bolt to it, and they hold the inside firm. It does come with your little wrench and also your rubber edging, so you're not leaning on steel. And this just snaps over the top. And of course, a huge bag of hardware. So let me start getting this assembled, and we'll take it step by step. And I'm going to move this out of the way in a minute because I'm going to be assembling it in the area that where it's going to be placed when it's done. So stick around. We'll be right back. This took me 5 minutes to get 2 end pieces and 2 panels put on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pre-assemble this one. I'm going to pre-assemble the second end and then tighten everything. And then I'll bring the panels in for the side to make this 8 feet long. This will be the approximate spot for this because my kitchen window is right there. And I like to be able to look out and see my plants growing outside the kitchen window. So stick around. Let me get the other end fixed and built, and we'll be right back. You can see I have both end caps done, and each one has one side each. I have 4 more panels. So 2 will go here, and then 2 will go, or another one will go here, and then 2 on this side. And then I'll put my braces in, and then we'll get to filling this. So let me get these assembled, and we'll be back so you can see the entire thing. This is going to be a game changer for my garden because of the height, the amount of space I can grow stuff in. These are modular. I could get other ones, and I could make all sorts of shapes. It shows it in the book. So I could actually make a huge U-shaped box if I wanted, where I'd come in the middle and I could work on all in here would be my work area. Or you can just do simple things like this. I'm a simple guy. I like things simple. So we're going to just start with this one. But let me get these done, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Oh, sorry guys, I fell asleep in my garden bed. So you can see how big this unit is. It is 8 foot long. As a comparison, I am 6'3", so you can see the size of this thing. Real happy with this. Now I'm going to fill it with some old chopped up wood and some lumber and some cardboard, and then we'll get the dirt in here. So you're going to want to see that. See you in a few minutes. Okay, everybody. My wife allowed me to borrow the Purple Princess to help out the garden here at Okies Eden. So This is now 3/4 full of an old maple tree we dropped at the homestead a couple of years ago. Now I'm going to put some cardboard on there that they'll decompose and become compost. Yes, there will be tape on it, but don't worry. I'm not worried about tapeworms. Okay, so what I have is some mulch down on top of all of that maple wood and a bunch of cardboard that's going to decompose and become compost. In the meantime, went to a big box store today and we got some of the peat humus, and we're going to spread that around. And then I also have some dirt soil, topsoil with manure in it. So that's next. So come back in a couple of minutes and we'll take care of that. Now the topsoil is down. What we also purchased was cow manure and compost. Now, you all know that my garden is 100% organic. I have not used any commercial fertilizers in my garden. This is going to be the first. I'm still going to say this is probably organic, but you guys can talk about that in the comments. But what I'm doing is spreading that out, and then I have 5 gallons of my own composted soil from last year. So this has eggshells, coffee grounds, banana peels, potato peels. You can see a potato right there. Those are out. I don't want any volunteer potato plants this year. But there it is. So now I'm just going to stir this around. And we're going to come back and we're going to plant some items. Could be, I'm going to do some flowers, I think. And I'm also going to do some turnips and beets. So that is the Vegega 2x8 by 32 inch high planter box complete. Now tomorrow we'll plant, so we'll see you in that one. Take care.